Hi, I'm Dr. E, and today we are talking about one of the biggest parenting challenges, the screen time. We all know kids are spending way too many hours glued to the screens, but here's the truth: telling them do not watch, or don't play, or stop scrolling rarely works. The secret is not just cutting the screen time, it's about creating more exciting, real world options that naturally pull them away from the screens. So, why kids gravitate towards the screens? Screens are designed to be addictive. Bright colors, fast rewards, endless entertainment. It's like a candy for the brain. If we only say no, kids feel like we are taking away their fun. Instead, we need to make sure that their off screen world is just as fun and just as rewarding. That's where the role of us as parent comes in. Not just restricting, but replacing the screens. So, here are some things that you can try with your kids starting today. First, outdoor adventures. Think back to your childhood. The best memories often came from the outdoors: parks, cycling, playing cricket, or hide and seek. Kids today are missing out on all of that. If you can schedule just a 30 to 45 minutes of outdoor play daily, it gives them the movement, the freedom, and joy that the screens can't match. So here's a tip for you: make it a family ritual. Walks after dinner, or weekend park visits, or even gardening together. Second, try creative hobbies. Not every child is sporty, so that's okay. Some love to draw, build, dance, or cook, or even act our little plays. When we give them materials, colors, craft supplies, music instruments, they get to express themselves. Here's the magic: once they are absorbed in creating, they forget about the screens totally. Third, there is nothing like a family connection. Kids don't just want entertainment, they want attention. Sometimes screen addiction is really just a sign of connection hunger. Family board game nights, storytelling before bed, cooking a meal together. These activities show kids that real life interaction is richer than any video game. Fourthly, let the kids lead. Instead of planning everything, ask your child, what would you love to try apart from the phone or TV today? It might surprise you. Cycling races, Lego competitions, magic tricks, or even baking. When kids feel they've chosen the activity, they own it. That's far more powerful than us imposing rules on them. Fifth, small shifts work best. You don't need to ban screens completely. That usually backfires. Start small. Replace a 30 minutes of screen with an activity. Or set screen-free zones like mealtime and bedroom. Encourage the 20-20-20 rule even during the schoolwork. Teach them to blink exercise. These little changes combined with exciting alternatives reduce screen hours naturally without constant battles. So the key is restricting screen time should not feel like a punishment. It's like engagement. Give kids more of what their minds and bodies truly crave: movement, creativity, connection, and discovery. When real life becomes more interesting than screen life, the problem solves itself. If you found this helpful, share it with another parent who's struggling with screen time. And remember, your child's eyes and their mind thrive best when the world beyond the screen is full of excitement. I'm Dr. E. I help you protect your family's vision and health, one tip at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.